The cracking furnace is the key element for the production of basic chemicals like ethylene, propylene, butadiene and others. Therefore, the cracking furnaces define the production and the reliability of an ethylene plant.